Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Thank you for being here with me today. So as you guys can see, we are doing some much needed cleaning this morning, and as my house is in the state that it is, like now that you guys see what kind of state that my house is in, that is where I have been mentally, and we are just trying to get out of the slump. Also, I did not clean the previous night. As you guys know, I like to just tidy up at least so that I do not have so much work to do in the morning, and also just waking up to a clean space is just so satisfying and also so calming in the morning. But I really, man, I've been struggling just to keep up with certain things. I feel like I don't even know. When I am going through something, I would not really go into detail about it, just because I do not like oversharing, and I also just feel like I am a very private person in my real life. I do not um, I am not out there. I am really just the type that is for herself and mind her own business, you know. So the fact that I have a channel is so like overwhelming, but at the same time so exciting. So I am trying to open up little by little, still also just trying to be safe at the same time, not oversharing, because I just feel like certain things does not have to be shared. But as you guys can see, we are doing some cleaning, and I have been really not been doing my night routines. I am really trying my best. So this particular morning I did try to share with you guys how I clean my living and kitchen area, but as I was recording, my phone did this weird annoying thing that it kept cutting as I was recording. So that actually drained my battery quite fast. So my battery died when I was just about to clean my kitchen. So I did not basically take you guys along with how I tidied up my kitchen, but the rest of the space I did take you guys along with me. So in this video I'm just doing some quick tidy up, and you will also see later in this video that I also had a grocery haul that I am sharing with you guys. So I thought as we are cleaning we would have a bit of a chit chat. Yeah, man, like life has been hectic. I don't know, in one of my previous videos I shared how so far this year has been really just kicking my butt. So yeah, that is only because I have so many things, we have so many things planned, that we have to do, things in our household that needs to be fixed, and man, it's just like so many things that has to be fixed, and it's just not getting any better. So I hope you guys will watch, and we will still have so much more to chat about. Okay guys, I want to quickly do a grocery haul. I don't think I am going through each and every one of them because I have to get them packed away, because I have some errands to run still. So let me just try to quickly go through some of them. We have cremora, and then I just bought some mayonnaise. We do go through mayonnaise. Hello Tyrese. Hello. We do go through mayonnaise quite fast, and then I just bought some garlic sauce for my husband. That is his favorite sauce. Wow, things are so expensive. There's so many things I didn't buy, but anyway, I did not even buy tomato sauce. And that is one of my kids' favorite sauces. But anyway, I bought them the mayonnaise. They do enjoy mayonnaise, and then I just bought some Vaseline too, because we are a big family. Anyway, one does not last. And then I just bought some spaghetti. I bought 2 liters of oil because um it was on special. It was 60 rand, which was quite um cheap, so I just grabbed 3 bottles. And then I have some popcorn for our movie nights mostly. Then I just grabbed some beef months, just 4 of them. This does help us through the month quite a lot. I just bought some no pork bologna, because the other ones I had was pork, and we do not eat pork. So I just bought. I don't buy these so much anymore because they are quite expensive and so small. I feel like if I just buy fresh vegetables at Food Lovers Market, and I meal prep them myself, it does come out more and last us longer. Then I just bought some cheese. You guys know we love cheese, but these things are so expensive. I just bought one. And then I just also bought some peanut butter, and then also just some smoked cheese Russians. They are quite nice, these ones. Just bought a couple of veggies. Oh man, I'm trying to go through this whole, and now I am going to make a mess. And then I just bought some muesli, macaroni as well. I grabbed two packets of macaroni, just some tea, and then I decided to buy the Bokomo cornflakes. I did try it once. It's not that bad because they didn't have like the Kellogg's one that we always buy. So I just decided on going for this one, 2 of that. I just bought some wheat bix, my all-in-one masala, some salt, some jam, some baked beans, sugar, Reese's juice. You want your juice, boy? And then just some yogurt, some juice for them for school. And then I just took 1 2-liter milk so that it will last longer. If I buy the 6 packs plus the 2-liter, it does last us longer. And then I just bought a refill Fresco. We do still have of the coffee, but I am not really a coffee person. I do really enjoy just Fresco because it's not that strong, so we do normally just buy this one. And then some oats. On the side we have some rice, some maize meal, milk, Reese's, diapers, and then I just have 2 5 kg chickens and 1 2 kg. I think I'm going to share with my mom. And then I just bought them some snacks, and then peanuts and raisins as always. And then Reese's squeezers, and then just some dishwasher, some bleach, some surf. Man, I don't really like surf, but yeah, well, And then just some toiletries, and then I bought some dye for my mother because the lady doesn't want to get old. And then yeah, then that is it. I also bought some more teen Target because these pets be petting like they're taking over. I am struggling with so much ants, and also the roaches is now, I don't know what is happening. But then I just bought some mouthwash for the kids, and then a small mouthwash for the adults, and that is basically it, guys. If I can show you my slip, what is happening? They are trying to kill us with these prices. Okay, guys, I'm quickly going to try to pick these things away. So anyway, guys, as I am trying to pick these things away, so I just thought I would continue having this conversation with you guys, since I feel like I do really have to share, so that you guys, like, I don't know, man, if you can relate, maybe you can relate. If not, that so that you just know that what I have been dealing with, it's not that deep really, but I just thought I would share, because maybe someone is going through the same thing or something similar. So I have shared it with you guys that that we are trying to somewhat fix up our house, and just all the areas in our house still need so much work. And oh man, we live in this house for 10 years now, and we have made so many changes already, and I am super proud of how far we have come. But we really do want a car, and we are looking forward to having a car. Hopefully, God willingly, next year we would have our car. But obviously, before our car comes, we have to make some changes, and we have to purchase some furniture, and just try to before the car comes, have some work done in the house. And I've really just been thinking of ways, and thinking of how I can help my husband, financially. And it's just really been so much pressure, since we are doing it in a time frame, and I think we are putting so much pressure on ourselves unnecessarily. And man, it's just been so stressful for me. I know my husband also has his thoughts, and man is not really the kind that talks about how they feel. We as women are more vocal about how we feel, and I just feel like we need a break. Things have been so hectic in this 10 years, and we have really just been growing slowly but surely, but it's just never ending. Like, challenges is so much. And I know it's life, and I don't like to complain, but that is just what I have been dealing with, trying to figure out how to go about things. And now if you just look at what you don't have, we tend to focus on the things that we do not have as yet, and then we forget, and we can't see what God has already blessed us with. And this week that I took off, my body just basically shut down. Like, I did not have, when you are mentally drained, it starts affecting your physical your physical side of things, and then you can't do anything. Like, I was supposed to upload this video. I could not work on it because I was drained, like I was exhausted, and I just felt overwhelmed. I just felt like I am overworking myself, and I am overthinking things. I was really just drained mentally, physically. I just had, like, I was burned out. And then it basically just left me just I just decided to take the break for a week, and then I ended up just sitting in silence. And boy was sleeping, I just sat alone in load shedding, in the quiet time, and I could hear God is like talking, and He was really just saying, I need your attention. You are too busy, you are thinking, you are doing, you're just too much. Like, I need you to just be silent so that you can hear me. And I have basically just sat down, and I could just pray more. I am really a person that prays a lot, but we are so busy that we don't really sit down and just have that silence and do nothing, think about nothing, just sit and listen. So this week has really been that to me, and I realized that, um, man, I just realized that this video was hectic to get out, but I knew even more that I have to post it, because now the reason why I am struggling to push myself to get it out, because it has to be out for someone. I don't know, like, if someone can relate, and I am not trying to preach to anyone, but if you are dealing with a similar thing, that you are feeling like things are not getting better, or things are taking long, and you have been praying for certain things and it is just not happening, like, man, God is listening, and we just have to trust more in Him. So if you are feeling similar, burned out, exhausted, motherhood is difficult as well, just know that God is with us, and He is leading the way. His hand is clinged unto our hands, and He is with us every single moment. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I will check you guys in the next upload. Bye.